1 over 2 and here 1 over 6. How can we compare with the two number? You have to look for a denominator. Denominator is 2, here 6. How can we compare? 2 and 6. Look it very properly. Look it very closely. This number is 2, this number is 6. How can we do it? When the number 2, smaller number as a greater fraction. So 2 is greater. The parts which are less divided, that is 2. So 2 is greater. Now look at here, 1 over 6 and 1 over 3. The denominator, the biggest denominator is as smaller fraction. Smaller fraction. Remember this, children. When the denominator is bigger, when the denominator is smaller, and when the denominator is bigger, comparing, we are comparing now. When denominator is smaller, that means greater. When the denominator is bigger, that means smaller. Okay? Please concentrate. When the denominator is smaller, that means greater. When the denominator are bigger, that means smaller. Now look at here. Arrange the fraction from smallest to greater. Now look at to the denominator. Here 2, here 4 and 5. I said you before, the denominator which is bigger is as smallest. 1 over 5. Then the another one. Which one is the smaller between these two numbers? So this one is greater. So this is smaller number. 1 over 4. Now the last one, 1 over 2. Now greatest. How can we find the greatest number? The number which are smaller, that is greater number, 1 over 2. Then the second one, 1 over 4 and 1 over 5. The number which are small is the greater number. The number which are smaller as denominator, we say smaller number. Smaller number.